Hello everyone, I'm doing a laundry detergent review. So I got this classic Oxydol plus enzymes triple action laundry detergent. Cleans, fights stains, freshens. It's in a 32-ounce little bottle. You can do 16 loads with it. I broke the top, so I'm gonna have to pour it into a cup. And this detergent here is very thin. It's like really watery, but it's concentrated. So for this review, I'm gonna be using my Auauna portable washing machine. This review is not about the washing machine. It's how this detergent right here, it's about how this detergent cleans. So I told you the top is broken, so I'm going to pour a little bit. I want you to see how thin this is. So, see, like water. And that's how much I'm using. I'm probably using a little too much in this machine. Well, I'm getting ready to get started with my washing. I'm going to put the water in the machine, and then I'm going to put this Oxydol in there and put my clothes in. So I'm going to wash, and then I'm going to let you see how my clothes look after using this Oxydol. I kind of think I put too much in there. It's real soapy. It smells so good. So I will be coming back when the clothes are out and clean. And show you how clean my clothes look. Look at all that soap. So next time I will put less in. This is how my laundry turned out. It's nice and clean, nice and bright. You know, I did a review on the Oxydol powder many years ago. But I think this one is better. It's very thin. I should have put a little less of it in there because it was too much soap, but it rinsed out pretty good, and it was actually perfect for my little washing machine. So this is $1 at Walmart, and it's really good, especially if you're a person that's going to the laundromat and you want a small bottle. We always think of the pods to take to the laundromat, but sometimes I don't like the pods. I use it sometimes, but sometimes I don't really care for it. So this is a nice size here. And so I will be back with some more laundry detergent reviews. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I thank you all for watching. Bye.